How to download Statement in Wise. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download Statement in Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application. And after that, you just simply have to unlock your Wise by putting your biometrics or password. Then after opening the application, you will get to see your profile picture into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options into this section, and among them you will get to see this statement and reports option in general section. Tap into statement and reports, and then you will get to choose this statement option directly. Now you just simply have to select your balance or jar at very first, and after that just simply select the dates which is suitable for you. Then choose the file format and then check this box if you want to display the transaction with fees shown separately. Then choose this language for your statement and tap to download, and your statement will successfully be downloaded very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. We'll meet in another one. Till then, keep trading into your Wise platform.